In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up songs in Soundtrap. First, open your web browser and head over to Soundtrap's Music Maker site. This is where you'll access the online studio. Once the page loads, look for the Login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose Login with Google. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use with Soundtrap. After a moment, you'll be taken into your workspace. From here, find the project you want to edit. Open it by entering the studio so you can make changes directly on the timeline. Inside the studio, click on the specific track or beat you want to speed up. Selecting the track helps make sure the timing changes line up the way you expect and keeps you focused on the right part of the song. Now locate the tempo control at the top of the studio. Tempo refers to BPM, or beats per minute. Increasing the BPM speeds up the entire project's timing, which is what we want. Click tempo to open the control. You can raise the tempo by using the arrows or slider, or you can type in an exact BPM if you already know the target speed. If you're unsure, try small increases, bumping it up by 5 or 10 BPM to find a pace that feels energetic without losing clarity. Take a moment to watch how your regions line up on the grid as you change the tempo. This helps you judge whether your song still feels tight and musical. When you're satisfied with the number you've chosen, click Apply. This commits the new tempo to your project. Right after applying the change, Soundtrap will give you the option to adjust your regions. Click Adjust so your audio and MIDI clips are stretched or aligned to match the new tempo. This step keeps everything synced to the grid, prevents timing drift, and preserves the groove of your arrangement after the speed increase. That's it, you've successfully sped up your song in Soundtrap by opening the studio, selecting your track, raising the BPM and the tempo control, applying the change, and confirming the adjustment so your clips stay in time. If you ever want to fine-tune it further, you can revisit the tempo control and repeat the process until the track feels just right. Thanks for watching and enjoy the faster version of your song.